again in GK of 8th class. The previous topic we have discussed was nature's extremes, means something great from nature. Now, the whole world's extremes, some great means in this topic we are going to look for some unique monuments, means like Taj Mahal is a monument, some religious buildings, some industrial places, some great transportation facilities in the whole world, the great we are going to look for. So let's start with the chapter in a minute. The first one is, actually what you have to do in this chapter, number of pictures are given and downside the clues are given with the number 1 to 18, with number 1 to 18. So you just have to write the number over there, that which photo it is being shown. For example, the first one, I am just going to speak the name. You people are having your books, so you will find from there. The first one, tallest building. The answer is 14. 14, it is Burj Khalifa. The next, tallest minaret. Minaret, that is, if you look from your book, the Great Hassan II Mosque. So this is a mosque, like we people are having means mandir or gurudwaras. So Muslims people are having these minaret. So the next one, of course, this is being made by our great PM Modi. So it is somewhere such kind of statue is being made by him also. And this is the tallest statue, and this is Statue of Unity. The next one, largest church, and the largest church is Saint Peter's Basilica. The next one, longest tunnel, it is Gotthard Base Tunnel. The next one is largest railway station, it is none other than Grand Central Terminal. It is also in the United States of America, in the city of, that is what you call the largest railway station is Grand Central Terminal in the city New York of United States of America. Then of course the busiest airport, where number of passengers comes every day, number of them keeps on coming going, it is again in the United States of America, and the name is Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport. It is in the city Atlanta of United States of America. The next one, again the largest mosque. The largest mosque you might have heard, Makkah Medina. So this is Great Mosque of Makkah. Next, largest Hindu temple. On hearing for the first time the largest Hindu temple, it comes to your mind that it must be from India, but exactly it is in Angkor Wat, that is in the country Cambodia. Angkor Wat in Cambodia. The next one with us is largest synagogue. So this is in the country largest synagogue, a type of you can say a marriage receptionist there. So largest synagogue, it is where exactly? It is in Jerusalem. So Belgrade Synagogue, it is in the city Jerusalem. So next one is longest road. Longest road is again American Highway, the Pan American Highway, which is almost 30,000 miles from North Alaska to Argentina. The next one is longest railway line. Longest railway line is the Trans-Siberian Railway. So this is the longest, you have to read from your book. So tallest tower, that's again in Japan. So this is the tallest tower in Tokyo Skytree. This is Tokyo Skytree in Japan. Largest bank, So this is again now it is of China Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. Then we have largest plane. The name of the plane is Airbus A380. A capital A 380. Then largest manufacturers of smartphones. The largest is Samsung. They are making the maximum smartphones. Largest library is again in Washington in United States, the Library of Congress. And largest building is again from Muslims, that is Abraj Al Bait. So this is the largest building. So these are some of the world's extremes, and I hope you got a lot of the information. Thank you.